Are there useful chemicals residing in your old batteries? The answer is yes. The typical heavy-duty battery is lined with zinc, packed with manganese dioxide, and contains a carbon rod in its center. These can be used for many things, such as producing hydrogen on a large scale, performing electrolysis, and even isolating iodine. So how do you disassemble a battery to get to this juicy goodness? Well, with two hands, some tools, and safety precautions, it is fairly easy. Keep in mind that the method used in this tutorial is not applicable to brands such as Energizer or Duracell, and should not be attempted with alkaline batteries unless you have further research on such. Heavy-duty batteries that are produced by Rayovac, Panasonic, Eveready, or any other brand that does not contain lead or mercury should be fit for the task. To start, we're going to remove the wrapper that binds the battery. Once the battery is bare, you can fully see the zinc container. Inside is manganese dioxide. This can be toxic if consumed, and stains badly, so you will need to wear gloves. The wrapper we have just removed warns the user of what may occur if the battery is disassembled, and even though it is highly unlikely for it to leak, let alone explode, it is always ideal to wear safety glasses for projects such as this. To disassemble, use some small wire cutters to snip and peel at the edge of the positive side of your battery. It is only necessary to remove the end corners of your battery, just enough so that part of the inside is visible. Once this is finished, you are able to see some of the manganese dioxide that resides inside the zinc shell. Being that this is wrapped in paper, you should be able to pull it out by taking hold of the positive electrode with pliers. Keep in mind to do this gently, as you could accidentally pull out the carbon rod and leave the manganese dioxide, or worse, you could break the carbon rod. If one of these occur, it will be difficult to extract the rest of the contents. As you can see, the paper that binds the manganese dioxide is slippery. Use a paper towel or tissue to handle it. Next, use pliers to carefully remove the carbon rod by the positive electrode. Now, we'll use tweezers or another tool to peel that yummy black banana. Make sure you are wearing gloves here, as manganese dioxide will stain your skin. Store your manganese in an airtight container, such as a pill bottle, and keep it out of reach of small children. Well, now you know how to safely and efficiently disassemble a battery. Be reminded, though, that even though I protected my skin from stains, I still have to wash my gloves.